CSE Project Learning Group, S. Tamilarasi, second year, VA Institute of Technology. Welcome for CSE Project Learning Group. Today I will teaching in this video for pseudocode. This pseudocode is a imitation of programming language and description of algorithm. It is called as pseudocode. First of all, seeing this, what is pseudocode? Pseudocode is an artificial and informal language that helps programmers develop algorithms. Second one is pseudocode is a text-based details, that is our algorithms design tool. Third one is a pseudocode is a term which is often used in programming and algorithm-based fields. Fourth one is it is a methodology that allows the programmer to represent the implementation of an algorithm. Fifth one is it is a syntax like any of the programming language. The sixth one is but not compiled or interpreted by the computer. These are all for pseudocode. What is pseudocode? This pseudocode divided some rules and regulation. That is, first one is write one statement per line. Next one, capitalize initial keywords. Third one, indent to hierarchy. Fourth one, keep statement language independent. Fifth one, end multi-line structure. These are all definition is first one, write one statement per line. That definition is all coding are using for only one line per line. That is for write one statement per line. And next one is capitalize initial keyword. That initial keyword are all letters for capital letter only must be used. Third one is indent to hierarchy. The indent to the first of all the indent is a 4 space starting to 4 space that is indent. So all line must using for indent keep up. Fourth line is a keep statement language independent. That initial keywords are capitalized but the statement letter is independent. And fifth one is end multi-line structure. All are programming complete last final word is a end. The keep up for all program pseudocode. The next one is a common keyword used in pseudocode. That's are all for seeing the slides. I am telling about one by one these pseudocode keywords, common keywords. That first one is a double slash. This symbol used to represent command of the program. After this symbol letter that is called as command line. This command line tell about what is this code telling. This is a command line. And next one is a begin and end. This keyword using programming start and stop. This is a begin and end. Your all programming pseudocode starting point is begin and ending point is end, compulsory using for these two keywords. And next one is a input, get, read. These are all keywords using input the data for pseudocode. Inner the pseudocode that is called as input keywords. And next one is a compute or calculate. This keyword calculate of result of the given expression or formula. You are using any formula in the pseudocode, you are must using for compute and calculate keywords. You are using any formula before using for compute or calculate keyword. It is called as calculation keywords. And next one is a add, subtract, multiply, divide, initialize. These are all keywords are used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and initialization. These are all for common mathematical operators. And final one is if, else if, while, end if, end while, for. These are all for keywords and I am explain for one by one these keywords. First one is if, else or else if. This is two. One is if and another one is else if and end if. These keywords are used to making decision. These keywords are using for decision making condition. And next one is while, end, while. This keyword are used for iterative statement. And next one is for, end for. This keyword used for another iterative statement. And final one is output, print, display. These are all used to display the output of the program. This is the final slide. This is example pseudocode structure. First starting, begin and end is end, stop. This program is stop for this end keyword. And these are all keywords: begin, get, compute, display, end. These are all for initial is capital. And next this get only for is capital, but and is not keyword, so it is a small letter. And it is a formula a plus c is equal to a plus b. This is a addition formula. This keyword are using for compute keyword and c is equal to a plus b. This is formula, this is keyword. This keyword are all are used for capital letters and non keywords for using for small letters. And this is a display. This display key using for print output, so using for display C. And final one is end, stop this program. And this is all for pseudocode. This class is complete. Thank you.